year 3. It is Wednesday the 6th of January and it is English. Woo! So we're going to start our lesson by recapping. First, when do we use an? Take a second to think. If you thought it's before a vowel sound, you are correct. So when do we use a? Yes, we do use a when it does not start with a vowel sound. But wait, what's a vowel? Yes, it is A, E, I, O, U. In your books, a piece of paper, a scrap piece of paper, their table, whatever you fancy writing on. Maybe not the table, you'll get in trouble with your parents. But can you write the correct a or an in front of these words for me? Pause the video now. Okay, so here's the answers. We got a banana, a castle, a top, an ant, an hour, an umbrella, a monkey, an igloo, a jacket, and an elephant. Now, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I find that when I'm working out if it's a or an, I also find out it just makes sense when I say it out loud, because a castle sounds right, and castle just seems wrong. So you can even hear it from how you heard adults and teachers and many different people say it correctly around you all the time. It helps you to learn and to remember it. Okay, our LO today is to compare formal and informal letters. I can identify formal and informal phrases, I can explain the terms formal and informal, and I can identify differences between formal and informal letters. What does formal and informal mean? Pause now and see if you can Google what formal and informal means. And then let me know later. If you're in teams, we would have discussed this as a group. Hey, can you help me put the letter types in the correct column? And can you think of any more? So make a quick table with formal and informal. So you just need one line across. Formal, informal. And then your letter to Santa, would that be formal or informal? A complaint, would that be formal or informal? A letter to work, would that be formal or informal? And a letter to a friend, is that formal or informal? Could you think of any more? Don't forget to email them over with all your English work from today. I'd love to see how you're doing. So would Miss Dent and so would Miss Easthope. Okay, so activity 1 is you're going to sort the phrases into formal and informal. I'll put those phrases up for you in a second, okay? So you just need to do a column, formal, informal, maybe extend your column from the previous slide. Then activity 2 is you're going to look at yesterday's letter. So yesterday when you were sorting it out, you should have wrote it down into the correct order. So look through it. Can you find any informal or formal phrases? You can get a highlighter, a pencil, underline it, and find out if that letter from yesterday was formal or informal. I will not be re-showing the letter, I'm just going to be showing the phrases for you to sort out. So activity 2 you can do in your own time. Okay, pause the screen now and can you sort these into formal and informal? I want to tell you this event will be memorable. I need you to. Thanks a lot. It's come to my attention. It's going to be great. I wish to advise you that. Thank you very much. I've just noticed that. It would be great help if you would. Time to mark. So informal, we've got I want to tell you. You could make that formal by saying I would like to inform you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. To make it formal, because these are all informal. I need you to. It would be great if you could, or would you be able to? Just make it more polite, because I need you to can be quite bossy. That's why it's informal. It's going to be great, especially the exclamation mark. That is informal. Then we got formal. This event will be memorable. I wish to advise you that. Thank you very much. I've just noticed that it's come to my attention. It would be great help if you would. Now pay attention to these formal ones because you may want to use these in your writing in the next coming weeks. Alright, see you all tomorrow.